Introducing the SenseRobot Chess Mini, the AI-driven robotic chess mentor, engineered for true-to-life motion. Powered by an AI brain with 99.9% visual precision, experience unrivaled realism in every single move. Want to take your game to the next level? SenseRobot isn't just an opponent, it's a mentor, offering online training exactly when you need it. Review your records and gain deep insights via the app. With 19 difficulty levels and the Apex Duel, sharpen your skills with the drills, matches, and endgames. Want to challenge the world? No problem. Connect seamlessly to chess.com or lichess.org and battle global opponents on a real physical board. Its intelligence rivals the world's greatest champions. Train, learn, and play no matter your skill level. Beyond intelligence, SenseRobot brings back the soul of chess. Accurate piece recognition, rapid response. Feel the raw intensity of a true back-and-forth exchange.
It's a beautiful day out. Why not take a walk in the park once we're done with this game?
Gotta beat me first.
For sure. I'm keeping track of every single move you make.
And even remembers your name and your unique playing style. SenseRobot Chess Mini. Feel the real game. Meet the future of chess.